This is the regular hexagon inscribed in a circle construction. Regular hexagon just means that the hexagon has, a hexagon first of all is a six-sided figure. Regular means that it has 6 congruent sides and also 6 congruent angles. So I'm going to start by constructing my circle. And marking the center of my circle. Again, generally this much would be given to you in the problem. So from here, we're going to construct a diameter through the center of the circle, and I'm going to mark those endpoints. With my compass, I'm going to measure the length of the radius of the circle, and if I haven't moved it at all, it should already be set to the length of the radius. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw an arc with my compass that intersects the circle. So up here, I'm going to draw an arc. And then where that arc intersects the circle, I'm going to move my compass point, and I'm going to draw another. Again, I'm going to move my point to the new intersection and draw my third arc. And when I draw my third arc, it should intersect the other end point of my diameter. And I'm going to keep going all the way around the circle. So from here, I'm going to move my compass point, another arc, move my compass point, and then I should get back to where I started, okay, with 6 total arcs. And then each of these arcs, where they intersect the circle, is a vertex of the hexagon. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all I need to do is draw segments between my vertices. And there's my regular hexagon inscribed in a circle. I can name this hexagon if I want. A, B, C, D, E, F. Hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F is inscribed in circle G.